Good morning, eLearning! Welcome to iSpring Morning News, where we bring you educational content that will ignite your enthusiasm and creativity for the day. My name is Ruth Thompson, and I'm delighted to share with you the latest trends in the e-learning industry, discuss the most recent news, and shed light on the controversies that content creators and educators face daily. Bill Gates wrote an article titled "The Age of AI Has Begun." In the article, he argues that artificial intelligence can be used for good purposes or malicious ones, mentioning the possibility of misuse of AI by both students and teachers. Meanwhile, educational platforms are exploring the possibilities of using artificial intelligence in course creation and data collection. It seems that this topic will not fade away soon, as long as education and AI both exist. Wondering if this is a hot topic at some of the hot educational events coming our way? Well, I know someone who knows someone. Let's meet Ruth Mothson and see what she's got for us. Hey training talents, this is Ruth Mothson, and I'll tell you a thing or two about hot educational events coming up all over the world. At the end of the month, a lot of learning activities are expected. In Lisbon, Portugal, leading experts in educational technology will discuss the latest research, new approaches to learning, and best practices for integrating new technologies into the virtual classroom. This conference will be centered around expanding access to education globally, the future of work, and using open technology to solve today's challenges of upskilling, reskilling, and delivering lifelong learning. Meanwhile, in NYC, some people will gather together to come up with strategies for promoting student connections, collaborations, cooperation, and belonging. And finally, passing it over to our special reporter, Ruth Mothson, who is attending the EAET 2023 in Oxford, UK. Ruth? Thank you, Ruth. This is Ruth Mothson reporting from the 4th European Advanced Educational Technology Conference in the very heart of education itself, Oxford, UK. The aim of the EAET 2023 is to provide scholars, faculty members, researchers, students, and administrators with an excellent opportunity to convene with their colleagues from many different countries. They will be discussing innovative ideas and changes in education, the results and outcomes of various theories and practices in the area of educational technology. I do have one idea that can be a game changer. Let's see what Ruth Mothson is cooking for us in the studio. Ruth, passing it over to you. Thank you, Ruth Mothson. This is Ruth Mothson, and I'm here to help you cook up the perfect online course you can prepare all by yourself. The key ingredient is a well-cooked, ready-to-go character. You don't need any design or animation skills to create your character. All you need is your imagination and iSpring's Suite Max. It has a huge library of characters, so you can design your very own personalized mascot. Add some branding, mix in your company's colors, shake it up well, and voila! The perfect character for interactive online courses is ready. Enjoy! This is Ruth Mothson with iSpring's Morning eLearning News Show. If you don't have enough time to digest all the news from the world of e-learning, join us next time. More trends and events are coming soon. Thanks for watching.